Hi, from CES 2019. This is our Stinger Elevate multimedia system. This is an 8-inch screen on a floating display. So this display is separate from the radio receiver box, which makes it very versatile. Can mount in single DIN, double DIN applications, or custom applications where the display and the receiver box can be very far apart. This is a full feature system, multimedia with Sirius XM capability, Sirius XM ready, Android Auto CarPlay of course included. It also has great audio characteristics with not only power deck, speaker level out, line out, and also toslink. It is a variable toslink, so you can run that directly to any of your processors as well. Rear seat entertainment capabilities, works out really well. Several applications that can be used in phone, Bluetooth, of course, streaming audio, USB, pretty much anything you would want. The other great part is with our integration capabilities with our pack category, this can integrate into the vehicle seamlessly. Steering controls, obviously, like any of them, but also things like turn signals for safety cameras is very important. The system does have 4 camera inputs, so using a pack interface, we can tie that to the vehicle and trigger those cameras either on the screen or automatically from turn signals in the vehicle. Additional safety feature is the rear camera also has a microphone input, so you can, for long trailer applications particularly, you can hear audio as you're backing up from your trailer in the rear camera view. So we're very excited about it. We've had a great response here at the show this week, and look forward to shipping this late in January.